all three are in series. So that is why we have summed it. R plus j omega L plus j omega C. 1 by j omega C. Okay, it is the resonance frequency. Sorry, the impedance of the circuit across V. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to solve it in such a form. Okay, a form we have to create where there is only one term containing j into something. Okay, and plus some constant, anything may be there, something else. Okay, both something might be different. Okay, it may be some constant, it may be some constant, or with some variables. Okay, because we are using variables here, R, L, and C. Obviously, variable will be there. So, for calculating resonance frequency, this real part we do not want, only the imaginary part. So, how to calculate? So, this equation we have to write in a simple form. Okay, so what a simple form might be, you can see. Let's start solving it. So R plus, take LCM of, don't take LCM. For simplicity, you always, what you should do, you always do the multiplication. What multiplication? Of J, means if any one term is there, it has J in the denominator, J or I in the denominator, you have to multiply J by in the denominator as well as numerator. Okay, so objective is to, there should be no J in the denominator. Okay, so how to do? So J divided by J square omega C. We have multiplied by J in the numerator and denominator. So is equals to R plus J omega L minus J upon omega C, correct? How? J square is minus 1 and J is here. So if we do what? R plus J, take J common, omega L minus 1 by omega C. Okay, this is the value of Z. So this is in Z in which form? If you see, it is in this form now. J is multiplied by some value and R is there. Okay, some more. This something is R, this something is omega L minus 1 by omega C. Correct? So what I told you, put the this value equals to 0. So omega L minus 1 by omega C is equals to 0. Okay. So what is there now? Omega L is equals to 1 by omega C. And if you further solve it, what you will get? Omega square is equals to 1 by under root L, 1 by omega square is equals to 1 by LC. So omega is equals to 1 by under root LC. Correct? So this is the expression for resonance frequency of the series resonance circuit. Okay, if you want to convert it into F, how you will write? F is equals to 1 upon 2 pi 1 by under root LC. Okay, like this you can write. Okay, so this is the expression for the resonance frequency of series RLC circuit. Okay, now if you want to check the resonance frequency of parallel RLC circuit, what you will have to do? I will not solve it for you. You have to solve it yourself. This is the series RLC circuit. Sorry, parallel RLC circuit. Some V is there, R is there. This is L, this is C. So now, what is the Z? Here Z was R plus j omega L plus j omega C. Here the Z will be R parallel to j omega L parallel to 1 by j omega C. Correct. So if you do like this, it will be in this while we will be calculating parallel combinations. The calculation might be a little bit big. Okay. And another circuit might be like this. Suppose R, C, and sometimes there is one resistance with the inductance. Okay, because a coil is not ideal. In practical case, there is some resistance associated with the coil. Okay, so R, C, here the L is given, here RL or anything is this resistance is associated with L. So that is why it is called RL. So if you want to calculate this, the resonance frequency of it, the corresponding impedance will be what? R parallel to 1 by j omega C parallel to RL plus j omega L. Okay. So now you will have to calculate this one first. Okay. Then after calculating this, calculate the j term like this and obtain the the multiplication factor of j, what is the imaginary part, and put it equal to 0 and then calculate the value of omega. Okay, put omega in one side and other thing in other side. Okay, and if any quadratic equation is made, solve it.